Redmi K30 is approaching towards its launch, which is confirmed to be in the next month, and the leaks have started flooding in, giving answers to the most important aspect of this phone, and on the way, generating some questions as well. The alleged Redmi K30 live images come courtesy of a Weibo post that shows the phone encased in a chunky protective case to hide its design. The images show the Redmi K20 successor sporting a pill-shaped hole punch design, which was one of the few leaks we have seen earlier. And as we are approaching 2020, a lot of OEMs seems to go with this punch hole design. Additionally, the leaked images again restate a highly anticipated feature, a display with 120Hz refresh rate, which you can clearly see in the image. Moreover, the Redmi K30 5G has reportedly received the mandatory 3C certification in China. Notably, the phone's 3C listing has revealed support for 30W fast charging technology. So in addition to 120Hz, we now get to see 30W fast charging as well, which if you ask me is very necessary as the battery consumption will increase with 120Hz refresh rate and the 5G connectivity. One of the images show the phone running AIDA64 application, indicating that the Redmi K30 5G will pack a 6.66-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2400 pixels display with a pixel density of 395 ppi and a 120Hz refresh rate, and it will obviously be an IPS LCD display. They don't want the prices to be skyrocketed. Also, to support this claim, XDA developers found this image from MIUI 11, and as we can see, there is a side-mounted fingerprint scanner which could only mean an LCD display. The app's interface does not show the name of the processor. It reveals the GPU as Adreno 618 from Qualcomm, which is currently being used in Snapdragon 730 and 730G, which are not 5G chipsets. Redmi K30 is listed as 5G digital mobile phone, confirming the support for next-gen cellular networks. At the same time, it supports Adreno 618 GPU, meaning Snapdragon 730 or 730G, which don't support 5G. So we are definitely missing out on something. The leaks are not showing the complete picture. In coming days, we will surely get to know more about that, so do consider subscribing. It should also have MIUI 11, but the screenshots do not reveal whether it will be based on Android 10. The Redmi K30 also appears to have 64GB of storage, which could be the base variant of this device. Xiaomi could couple this with 6GB of RAM, but the higher variants could offer up to 8GB and 128GB of storage, and with more RAM and storage reserved for Redmi K30 Pro. And the previous leaks suggest it's highly possible it will feature Sony IMX686 sensor with 60 megapixel lens as the main camera. And that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Peace out.